In front of me is ASUS ZenFone 10, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency number on this device. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency over here. Following that, click on Emergency Contacts, tap on Add Contact, and click on the one that you wish to set up. In my case, this one. You can do exactly the same to all the other ones that you wish to add. And if you want to remove one of the added ones, click on this X next to the one that you wish to get rid of. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my emergency contacts were successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!